Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash, and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the charts of Euro USD and GBPUSD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, I'm uploading a video on Euro USD, GBPUSD after a long time. Actually, I was on vacation. Before that, market was not good because in the month of December, especially during the second half, okay, market is um, not proper to trade. Okay, so I was not uploading. Okay, so I hope to upload regular videos from now onwards. Okay. So let's look at the market. So my reference, finally Donald Trump is the president of United States, and we can see the impact on the market clearly. Just after the inauguration ceremony, we saw pressure on the chart of US dollar index DXY, as a result of which we can see some upside on the chart of Euro USD. Dollar subdued on Trump tariff uncertainty. Dollar index held around 108.1 on Wednesday, holding a recent decline amid lingering uncertainty on US President Donald Trump's tariff plans. So market is a little uncertain about the recent tariff plans. So there is pressure on the chart of DXY, and this is another reason why gold is bullish right now. Okay, we can expect that the present market sentiment will be continuing for the next couple of days. If that happens, then obviously pressure on DXY will remain. So this is the hourly chart of dollar index, US dollar index in front of us, and we can see DXY is standing at a crucial level right now. The support is 1082, to 107.75. Market tried to recover, market failed. So if DXY breaks 107.75, then things will be bad. You can see there will be a good breakdown here, and if market breaks this level, we can expect DXY to go for a bearish trend. So we can say or assume that if DXY breaks 107.75 level, this will be the continuation of the new bearish trend of the market. Okay, if that happens, we will see upside on the chart of Euro USD. On the other hand, if DXY tries to recover also, do not consider it as a trend reversal, because for any trend reversal, we need a solid fundamental. And without any proper news, there cannot be a trend reversal. It will just be a temporary technical recovery only. Okay, now let's look at the chart of Euro dollar. So this is Euro USD, the hourly chart here, and Euro USD is right now trading around 1.0414. This is the current market price. You can see many lines on the chart. Let me explain one by one. So right now, Euro USD is standing at a resistance here because market has faced selling pressure around this area, and we can see the same selling pressure again. But the thing is that dollar index is weak. If dollar breaks 107.75 or 70, we can expect upside on the chart of Euro USD. Moreover, market has already tested the level many times, and the level is already weak right now. So the resistance of 1.0433 is not a very strong one right now. There's a high chance that market will break and market will be going up. So if market breaks 1.0433, we can look for a buy and breakout. Yes, during the day, if you see that market is going up, you can look for a buy and breakout. But yeah, there is a minor resistance around 1.0457. Okay, so if you don't want to take any risk, because you must be knowing that buying at retracement is safer in comparison to buying at breakout. So if you don't want to take any risk, so what you can do is you can wait for some time after a few hours when the same level 1.0433 will be the new support, because the previous resistance will become the new support. You can look for a buy there because this will be the new support in the market. So you have two options. If market goes up, you can buy it breakout, a little bit riskier. Okay, and if you don't want to take any risk, you can wait for the market to come down, because the same level will be working as the new support 1.0433, 1.0430, this level. And on the other hand, if market fails to go up from the present level, if you see the market is under pressure, market is coming down, do not consider it as a trend reversal. Again, I'm repeating, for a trend reversal or trend continuation, we need a big fundamental reason, which we don't have now. So if market comes down also, we can look for a buy position. The first level where you can look for buy position is around 1.0368. This is the first level where you can look for a buy position, and the second level where you can look for buy position is 1.0355 to 1.0345. This is the second support on the chart of Euro USD where you can look for a buy position. But I would like to mention one thing: 1.035545 is a better level, stronger level in comparison to 68. Why? Because 68 has been derived from Fibonacci, and this is, you can clearly see market has bounced from this particular area. We have derived 1.0368 from Fibonacci here. This is our Fibo 38.2% retracement level. Okay, so this is the first support. Okay, not a strong one, but good support. And this is our second support on the chart of Euro USD where we can look for a buy position. And in case of an accident, after the market is full of surprises, isn't it? So if market shows a sudden selling pressure, then we can look for bounce or support at 1.0300. Okay, but as of now, let's keep our eyes around 1.035045 area only. Now let's look at a chart of British Pound US Dollar, also known as the cable. So this is the hourly chart of GBP USD in front of us, and here also we can see that GBP USD is showing some consolidation, and here also the market is more or less bullish. So taking a sell is riskier in comparison to taking a buy. So try to avoid sell position right now. And unlike Euro USD, we don't have much to discuss here. So if you ask me, Avilas, which is a better pair to trade right now, I will suggest you to go with Euro USD. So during the day, if market falls due to some reason, okay, we can look for a buy around 1.2230. Okay, around this level you can look for a buy position. That's it. Apart from this area, I don't see any good level to buy. Yeah, around 1.2150 also you can look for a buy, but that level is far away. Let's not waste time. Okay, because there is a high chance that market will be going up from here. So if market goes up, here also same formula, you can look for a buy above 1.2365 area, buying at breakout. And if you don't want to buy at breakout, because it can be a false breakout also, if you don't want to go for the risk, what you can do is you can wait for the market to come down, because after the breakout, when market will be coming down again, this will be the new support. This will be the new support. And around the same area, if market takes support, you can look for a buy, because market will be bouncing back. So it's up to you whether you can buy at breakout or you can buy at retracement. But buying at retracement is safer in comparison to buying at breakout. So if you see that there is a sudden selling pressure on DXY, then it will be much better to take a buy position on Euro USD or GBP USD. So keep your one eye on the chart of DXY. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.